still wet, but I guess I'll call myself doing the boho goddess braids. Hope you guys can see it. Like I said, I still have products on this drying. I'm just finished doing it. I don't know. I might not try these again. I left some pieces of hair out, my own hair out. So I don't know. I'll let you, I guess, I'll give you guys update on how I look when it's dry. All dry. It's cute, you guys. And I like the fact that I didn't leave out too many strands because I don't want the puffy look. And I have fine strands, so it will protect my hair too from wrapping around each other. I hope you guys can see it. But yeah, I thought it was cute. I added some little shells, hair jewelry, one of each.